Gravity is like one of the most mysterious forces in the universe, and there are several things about it that are genuinely hard to fully understand. So here's a breakdown of 10 mind-bending facts about gravity, followed by an explanation of how Earth is, suspended in space. Okay, so here are 10 things about gravity that are honestly pretty hard to understand. First up, 1. We don't know what gravity actually is. Gravity is a force, but scientists still don't fully understand why it exists or how it operates at the most fundamental level. It's not a thing you can touch. It's more like a bending of space itself. 2. Gravity isn't a pull, it's a bend. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity isn't a force pulling you down. Mass bends space, and objects just kind of follow that bend. So here's something wild. Gravity can actually slow down time. The stronger the gravitational field, like say, near a black hole, the slower time moves compared to places with weaker gravity. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Now get this. Gravity is actually the weakest of all the forces out there. Seriously, it's way weaker than something like electromagnetism. For example, a tiny magnet can lift up a paperclip, even though the entire Earth's gravity is trying to pull it down. That's how weak gravity is compared to the other forces. And, oh, here's another cool thing. Gravity has infinite range. It never really disappears. Sure, its effect gets weaker the farther away you get, but technically, every single object in the universe pulls on every other object, no matter how far apart they are. That's just how gravity works. So here's something wild. Yeah, you can shield yourself from light or sound, but there is no known material or force that can shield gravity. Seriously, nothing blocks it. And get this. When huge masses like black holes collide, they send out ripples in space-time. These are called gravitational waves, and honestly, they were only first detected in 2015. Gravity is responsible for galaxies forming, planets orbiting, and stars igniting. It literally holds the structure of the cosmos together. Pretty amazing, right? So here's something wild. Some theories actually suggest that gravity might change just a little over time, or in different parts of the universe. If that's true, it would totally rewrite what we know about physics. Quantum mechanics and gravity, yeah, they really don't play well together in science. Both are true, but honestly, nobody has figured out how to merge them into one theory just yet. How exactly is Earth suspended in space? Well, that's a pretty fascinating question. So, the Earth isn't being held up by anything in the traditional sense. Here's how it works. Earth is actually in motion. It's orbiting the sun at about 67,000 miles per hour, or 107,000 kilometers per hour. Space doesn't really have an up or down. What we usually think of as being suspended is actually Earth free-falling through the curved fabric of space, which is caused by the sun's gravity. Earth doesn't fall into the sun because it's moving sideways fast enough that it keeps missing. And this balance of speed and gravity is called orbital motion. So there's actually nothing under Earth holding it up. It's just, floating in space, kept in orbit by gravity like a tether. Think of it like this. Earth plus its forward speed plus the sun's gravity curving space equals Earth orbiting, not falling. Gravity doesn't need any kind of physical string to hold Earth. The sun's mass bends space around it, and Earth is just, riding that curve. It's kind of like a marble rolling in a bowl. It stays in motion, spiraling, not because it's held up, but because the shape of space tells it where to go.